Hi guys, I have a 6-inch quick release bit holder. It's a lifetime warranty from ARES, and you have to go on the line and sign up for the warranty. They said that it's a lifetime warranty. I bought this on Amazon, and it's been really good. You could use any bit from this 6-inch extension. This is the part number here. The part number here, you got 70208. It's an ARES. As I said, for a demonstration, I have this little uh, Phillips head here. You just pull here and you snap it in. I try to pull it as strong as you're able to. It just snaps in properly. It's been pretty good tool. This tool has been very good. The magnet and this piece and this tool is very good. So I recommend this tool to anyone who wants to have a little extension, especially in the dashboard and the door panel. You could use this tool here and your drill gun, and it works pretty good so far. Thanks guys, peace. I catch you on the next one again.